Aloha! Welcome to Mai's Table, where you find God and gourmet. Today I wanted to walk you through a process that I'm going to call foraging through Mai's refrigerator, foraging through my fridge. So I had some things that I wanted to use up. I had a partial package of goat cheese, and I measured it already. It's 7 ounces. I put in a bowl. And I have 3 ounces of cream cheese that I'm just gonna add. And then I thought it would be super fun to add some jam. I'm gonna start with a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. This is a pear berry jam. You can use whatever kind you want. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna go for 2. And this is the fun part about foraging, because it's also cooking without a recipe. You just kind of fly by the seat of your pants and use your creative juices to make things delicious. So I also have this, I found this really delicious sounding. This is Tabasco Chipotle. So I'm just gonna guess, because that's what I do, and discover what works. So I'm gonna put in a full teaspoon because I think it's gonna be really good. My mouth is watering already. And I'm gonna mix it up and see what it tastes like. So I'm gonna mix it all up, and you're gonna be able to see my first reaction to my concoction of foraging through my fridge. Okay, I ended up putting this cream cheese and goat cheese in my microwave just for 30 seconds to soften it up, to make it easier to mix. So now I'm going to taste it. Let's see if it needs anything else. That is so good. Oh my gosh, I just want to lick the whole thing. I'm trying to think if I want a little bit more Tabasco. So I'm just gonna, this is Tabasco with Chipotle. I'm just gonna put in just another dab more, because I want you to be able to taste the sweetness and also that little bit of kick. Often when we combine opposites like sweet and sour, sweet and hot, you know, it's such a good combination. So let's try it. I like that better. So I didn't have a picture of the ingredients to start with, because I didn't really exactly know what I was gonna use, but a real quick recap is 7 ounces of goat cheese, 3 ounces of cream cheese that I put in the microwave for 30 seconds to soften, 2 tablespoons of whatever jam you have in your refrigerator, and about 1.5, well, maybe 1.25 teaspoons of this Chipotle Tabasco. So the fun thing is, you can go through your fridge, see what you have. If you have this in your refrigerator, you can throw it together really quick. I'm gonna try it with a cracker. Yummy. These are called Crunch Master crackers. They're gluten-free. I don't have an affiliate program with them. I'm just telling you that I really like that. It's really great. I don't have an affiliate with this either, but this is so good. I haven't seen it before, and I was in the mainland traveling. Chipotle Tabasco, really good. So that's one way that I forage through my fridge. I hope that you do the same. My grandma taught me to use what you have, to waste not, want not. And this is a good way to do it. And before I close off, I just want to add a little bit, I like to add a little bit of a spiritual thought to my recipes, things that feed your soul. I like to do little things that keep me close to my loved ones. And so today I'm wearing my apron that my sister made for me, and I wear it when I'm missing her especially. And I'm missing her especially today. Oh, sorry about that. And then I always keep my cutting board. My grandpa made this cutting board, and it's older than I am. My mom had it in her house, and it's not a perfect cutting board. It's not perfectly even, but it's a way to keep my loved ones close, and it makes me enjoy the cooking process more, to have more fun, to really be present when I cook. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope that it's fun for you, and I would love to hear any kind of things that you guys did, that you foraged through your refrigerator and what you made. Till next time, take care now. Aloha.